Hi, let's see how to simply apply an impulse to an object. In the example we see at the moment, an impulse is applied to the object when the space bar is pressed. Let's see how it works. I press the space bar a few times. An impulse is applied to the sphere's object which makes it bounce. I think everything is clear. Let's see how to get this. Let's open level blueprint. Let's do everything from beginning. Okay, the action is to start when the space bar is pressed. Got it. We need also the reference to sphere. Finally, we use the add impulse function. From physics section. Let's set the force vector to 500 vertically. Okay, but let's look at the configuration of the sphere. The movable option must be checked. Simulate physics with gravity. Also, let's pay attention to the weight, only 1 kilogram. We will come back to this issue. Of course, we need to connect these two nodes, compile, save. Okay, that should work. Let's check. I hit the space bar, everything works. Okay, it works. Let's take a look at the weight of the sphere and see what happens when we increase it to 100 kilograms. I press the space bar. We can see that the impulse was too weak to set it into motion. However, we can ignore the mass of the object by checking the velocity change option, add impulse function. If we do so, the impulse will be added to the object with no weight issues. Let's check. File, save. Everything works as intended. Thanks for watching. Write any question in the comments.